Welcome to my channel Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today episode will be about the beans. I will show you how I make this Polish Breton beans dish very popular in Poland called Fasolka po Bretońsku. This is my family favorite dish and I hope you enjoy. I'm soaking right now 2 pints of beans. I use the large lime beans and I will leave this overnight, and tomorrow morning I will start making the recipes. For my recipe, Breton beans, Fasolka po Bretońsku, I need of course beans. I soak beans overnight. It's almost ready to cook. It's pretty soft, very soft. Take no time to make this recipe. And what I need: 1 can of tomato sauce, Polish sausage, 1 onion, 3 garlics, cloves, majoran, onion, green parsley, 2 bay leaves, bacon, salt, pepper, paprika and cayenne pepper, and half a cup of chopped celery. I soak beans overnight. Next step, I will drain water. The beans looks beautiful, it's double size. Now I'm replacing the water. I'm adding fresh water, just couple inch above the beans, and I will cook beans for about 1 hour because it's almost ready. It's pretty soft. I'm adding 2 bay leaves. I will cut bacon. Bacon is cut. Sausage, I will just cut in half. The small Polish sausage is cut. I cut it in very small pieces, just bite size. Onion. The skillet is hot. Bacon. Sausage. And onion. And fry for just a little bit. I see the gold color. The sausage should be nice and gold. I can add to my beans. The sausage, bacon and onion is done. Now adding this to my beans. Now adding sausage, bacon and onion to beans. Beans is almost done. It's pretty soft, but you still need a couple more minutes. Now I'm adding half a cup of diced celery. Next step is tomato sauce. Salt. Cayenne pepper. Half a teaspoon black pepper, you have to try, this is spicy enough. Paprika, one teaspoon, majoran, 2 teaspoons, and garlic. A lot of garlic will be excellent addition to my Breton beans. Let's go combine all these ingredients. To try. Excellent and spicy. The last part I will add parsley. I have one big pot of Breton beans. I have so much I can put in the freezer and enjoy another time. The Polish Breton beans, Fasolka po Bretońsku, is done. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Please like, share and comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make new recipe once a week. And thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.